So currently they have vice grips as their ball valve, which then transfers from copper to PVC. Now me personally, I never put PVC in a basement. If PVC didn't break, I wouldn't have a job. So I always run copper out to the backflow, and then from the backflow we run PVC into the ground. That way, God forbid there's ever an issue, copper is going to hold up a lot better than PVC. Plus, as you can see, this isn't attached to anything. If this broke, it would be constant water just flooding this entire basement. So in this video, we're going to get rid of all this PVC, run copper out to the house, into the backflow, and fix the main line outside.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces. Riding early for the daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, cause I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very my world. Children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Make them feel the way that every child should. Sit and listen, sit and listen. Went to school and I was very nervous. No one knew me, no one knew me. Hello teacher, tell me what's my lesson. Look right through me, look right through me. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces. Riding early for the daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, cause I find it hard to take. Children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
So that's the old valve. Rather than shutting off the water because they have a street shut off, I just left that in, left it open. Basically, it's gonna not be used anymore. Went from 3/4 to 1 inch, 90'd up to the brand new ball valve. 90'd across, 90'd up, 90'd over, 90 out, and then put a sleeve in silicone, and we'll do the same on the outside. And as you can see, we have a sleeve, the pipe, so now I'm going to cut it and install the T and the backflow.
Make them feel the way that every child should. Sit and listen, sit and listen. Went to school and I was very nervous. No one knew me, no one knew me. Hello teacher, tell me what's my lesson. Look right through me, look right through me.
So in the house, we connected to the existing pipe, got rid of it, then added a new ball valve, one that actually you don't need vice grips for, and we ran it out to here. So you need the backflow to be at least 12 inches higher than your highest head. So behind you, there's a higher elevation, that's why we put it up this high. So we siliconed everything and then teed up to the backflow, and then right here is the plug that we use in the wintertime. We remove the plug and hook our air compressor up to winterize the entire system. That allows us to get the water inside the house and in the sprinkler system. You always want to do it before the backflow, because if you do it this side, all of this still has water in it in the wintertime, which freezes, and it's very expensive to replace it, hence why we're here right now. So you always want to winterize it from before the backflow, so that all the air behind the backflow, through the backflow, and the sprinkler system are all winterized properly. Big shout out to Barton Supply for supplying all the material to do this job today.